How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Are you wondering how to block someone on TikTok or unblock someone you've previously blocked? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through both processes step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. Next, search for the user you want to block using the search bar at the top. Following that, tap on their profile to open it. Now, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of their profile. Moving forward, a menu will appear. Tap on Block to restrict this user from interacting with you. Afterwards, confirm your choice by tapping Block again in the pop-up message. In addition to that, if you want to unblock someone, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Subsequently, tap on Settings and Privacy from the list. Moreover, scroll down and tap on Privacy, then select Blocked Accounts. Afterwards, you'll see a list of all users you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap on their profile. Finally, tap Unblock to restore their ability to interact with your content. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next one.